Ever wondered about the secret to maintaining motivation in your fitness journey? It might be simpler than you think. Today we delve into 7 key steps that could transform your approach to fitness and ultimately, your life. Step 1. Set clear, realistic goals. Picture the finish line before you start the race. Whether it's shedding a few pounds, running a marathon, or simply leading a healthier lifestyle, define what success looks like for you. Moving on to step 2, find an accountability partner. It's easier to hit the snooze button when you're accountable only to yourself. But imagine having a partner who shares your fitness goals. That's an added layer of motivation right there, pushing you to get up and get moving, even on days when you'd rather not. Step 3, incorporate variety into your workouts. The same routine day in and day out can become monotonous. Mix it up a bit. Try yoga one day, go for a run the next, or perhaps take a dance class. The aim is to keep your fitness journey as exciting as possible. Step 4, celebrate your progress. You've been consistent with your workouts and eating healthier. It's time to acknowledge and celebrate your efforts. Remember, every small victory is a step closer to your ultimate fitness goal. Step 5, rest and recover. While it's important to push your limits, it's equally crucial to give your body the rest it needs. Take a day off, sleep well, and watch your body thank you with improved performance. Step 6, keep a fitness journal. It might seem unnecessary, but jotting down your daily workouts, noting your progress, and setting new goals can be surprisingly motivational. It's a tangible record of your journey and a reminder of how far you've come. Lastly, step 7, stay positive. Fitness is as much about mental strength as it is about physical. Surround yourself with positivity, embrace motivational quotes, listen to inspiring podcasts, and lean on your community for support. So, are you ready to transform your life through fitness? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and watch how fitness can change your life for the better. Click the link below for more empowering tips and start your transformation today.